Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Kiera from I Did Your Affiliate. Now today we're gonna continue with day 14 of making money with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. All right, first you want to log in to my lead gen secrets. A link in the description below, and start your account. Make sure to start your account now. I recommend having 5 accounts daisy chained together so you can get more than 100 leads here. But start your account as soon as possible. The faster you start your account, the faster you can start getting sales, collecting leads. And once you do that, come over here to Clickbank. That's gonna be start your account. It's gonna be a link in the description below as well. And once you start your account, go to Marketplace, click on Marketplace, and yeah. Okay. So the Marketplace here, and once you do, you click on e-business and e-marketing, because people that sign in to my lead gen secrets, they sign in for money opportunities, making money online. So you click on e-business, e-marketing. Now you can make sales with other. Matter of fact, I'm considering making a series where I try to make a sale under something else. So if y'all interested in that, let me know. But anyway, let's continue with this now. It's about this now, right? All right. So go to your business, your marketing here. Then when you get to this page here, it show you money making opportunities. Click on Gravity here. We click on Gravity. Wealth system, perpetual income. You can try perpetual. I try perpetual income if I were you guys. Very high average conversion rate, but I don't know if you'll get them sales, but you can try. So we trying this right here, paid online writing jobs. As you went through the list here, all of these are not marketable. Like Scribble is a e-book creator. You make ebooks with it, so you don't want that. And you also don't want to try turn text to speech with human like voices. That's a program that turns text to speech. You can use it to make money online, but that's not what it's necessarily there for. So marketing that probably won't, you won't get that many sales. All right, so let's continue here. Paid online writing job, paid to do simple writing job online. All right, so we'll get back to this here. We're almost done with this. It's not performing as well as this product, but this is the product I recommend here. I say stick to this product. I'm gonna be honest with you, because this product right here is not performing nearly as strong as this product for me. All right, so let's continue here, but we're gonna keep promoting it because I said I would. And I do get sales. I have gotten sales off of it, so it works, but it's just not as well. Main issue is that the emails are just not interesting enough. The subject line here. All right, so okay, this is very small email, so this could work, but the title is kind of bad. So we're gonna use something else here. All right, so we copy this email here. If you know. Oh, I want to show you guys something. Yesterday I posted the email. I kind of was hesitant about the email. I was saying that's probably not going to work too well. It did not work well at all. Did not get a sale yesterday email. So I want to show you the type of emails not to go with real quick here. Oh, I'm already in this here. I'll show you guys in a minute. So awesome. You're now one step closer to being paid again. Let's say right here, get paid $20 to $35 every hour. Right here, copy. This is let's just put like first name Fitz. You want to get paid $20 to $30 every hour. What was it? $25 to $35. Or just pick, you know what? Just pick get paid 20, 30. Okay, that's pretty good. That's a bit much better than the one they gave us. The other one just said open email. That is lazy. The lazy email. So let's get the link here. All right, we're gonna click MLGS1 here. Click that. Yeah. Click here to complete the next step. We'll put the link here. It's a very short email, so it might perform a lot better with clicks because it's just right there. You don't gotta really read much. Really good, in my opinion. But make sure to click on perfect timing so they get the email right when they're opening the email, so it'll be at the top of the list, so it's a higher chance they check it. All right, so we send an email. Oh, we check the link and see if it works real quick. If the link works. Okay, the link works really well. Okay, we know the link works, so we can go and send the email. Make sure to check if the link worked. I have sent emails where the link didn't work, but I ain't realize it. So even if the person did buy, did get to the page or did want to buy, they couldn't because the email didn't work. So let me show you here. Like I stated before, you want 5 of these. You want 5 of these, so you 5 accounts, so you can build up 200 leads every day. You build up 200 leads, you can get, and if you have 5 accounts, you can get 900 leads a day. And you send that same email I just sent to 5 accounts, and that just snowballs real crazy. I'm only using 1 account to promote this, and I'm still making money off of it. But let me see here. The email that did not make money is this here. Be paid to hunt spelling errors. As you can see, hardly nobody opened it. Hardly nobody clicked on it. It's much lower than my average here. You see what I'm saying? Because I didn't change it to have first name fits or put some numbers in there or how much money you could make. It's not, you don't have to pick. It's good to have first name fits, to have their name in there. That's pretty good. Have a number of how much money they can make. That's a good way to get somebody to click on it. And do not keep it simple. Sometimes this doesn't work sometimes. So like right here, remote job for you, $8.75 a week. They got a lot of clicks because I picked this here. This is here. This when it just say something simple, you probably won't get many clicks. When it comes to be paid to hunt spelling errors, I should have put you get paid $150 a day. First name fits. You know what I mean? Something like that. So that's how you write the emails to make them more interesting. Because sometimes you'll get emails to send from the product that are not that good subject line. Don't have a real good subject line. Because you remember the first thing they're going to see or read before they click on the email is the subject. If the subject don't grab their interest, they're not going to click on it. You got to remember these are cold leads. These are cold leads. They don't know who you are. No? So you want to build up on that. You don't want to build up on that at all. Sorry about that. They're cold leads. So what you want to do is you got to grab them with your title. You got to get their attention with your title. And at the end of the day, it's a numbers game. That's why you need 5 accounts to do this. Get 5 accounts to do this. And get it started. And you're good to go. And once you have 5 accounts, you doing this, you can earn around $2,000-$3,000 a month, maybe even more. And it's one of those things that slowly get easier and easier to do because you get more and more leads. You just constantly sending emails. It's a numbers game. Somebody's gonna buy. It's just simple as that. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about. I wanted to show you guys that. And also, you can start a channel and start showing people how to do this like I'm doing, because I'm getting sales on my lead gen secrets here doing that. Even though I don't really get that many views, I'm still getting sales off this YouTube channel that I just created. It's crazy. So I consider doing that as well. It's very easy to make these videos. But yeah, also I want to talk about there's a $20 offer that works way better than Clickbank because each sale is worth recurring income. You make money every month off of just one sale, as long as they stay in the system. Called Saving Highway Global, and what Saving Highway Global do, they give you opportunities to save a ton of money on your bills. So it's usually worth to stay in the system because you can save money on your bills, and they have a decent recurring process on affiliate system for you to continue to make money off of one sale over and over again. And that's the easiest way to build your income. And it's only $20 to start. I'm gonna have a link in the description for that as well. It works better than Clickbank because once you get a sale on it, it's like I stated, it's recurring income. All right, so that's all the things. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.